Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss the filter method of arrays in JavaScript, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So, the filter method is a built-in method of arrays. It will return the elements of an array that meet a condition specified in a function. Let's say that we have an array of student ages. Maybe this is some sort of college course. You'll typically see a wide range of different student ages. So we have an array named students. One student is 16, another 17, 18, 19, and 20. So our mission is to create a new array of students that are 18 or older. So we'll need a function to check a certain condition. So let's define a function named checkAge. And we'll need one parameter of value. Okay, so here's our condition. If our value is greater than or equal to 18, then we will return our value. Actually, I think I'm going to rename this parameter as age, just so that it's more easily understood. Okay, so we need to use the filter method of our array, and the callback is going to be a checkAge. So we will perform the checkAge method using each element in our array. So let's create a new array. Let adult students equals the name of our original array of students dot, and we will use the filter method. And by using the filter method, we will pass in a function callback. So we need to list the name of our function, checkAge, and we do not need to pass in any parameters. So the value, index, and array of our original array will be provided. So if you need a value, index, or an array, these are already provided in that order, and you can rename them too. We're going to rename value as age. So this will filter all students in our original array that are 18 or older and place them within a new array called adult students. And then let's use console.log and display all of our adult students. So we have an array of 3 elements. One student is 18, 19, and 20. Now the reason that you don't want to use map in this place of filter is that we'll have some empty holes within our array. So we have undefined, undefined, 18, 19, 20. So for this situation, using filter would be better. Well, okay then everybody, that is the filter method of arrays. It will return the elements of an array that meet a condition specified in a function. Our condition is that we were checking to see if a student's age was greater than or equal to 18. If so, return their age and place it within a new array named adult students. If you would like a copy of this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. But yeah, that is the filter method of arrays in JavaScript.